Recently, the Ministry of Jal Shakti released its first-ever census report of water bodies, revealing crucial insights into the country's water resources. The census provides an inventory of water sources in India, highlighting disparities between rural and urban areas and varying levels of encroachment. Census defines a water body as all natural or man-made units bounded on all sides with some or no masonry work used for storing water for irrigation or other purposes. The census enumerated a total of 24,24,540 water bodies across the country, with West Bengal accounting for highest and Sikkim having the lowest. West Bengal has the highest number of ponds and reservoirs. Andhra Pradesh has the highest number of tanks. Tamil Nadu has the highest number of lakes. Maharashtra leads in water conservation schemes.